Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We have a new segment and it's Community Spotlight. That's where I get to shout out for you guys. This week's Community Spotlight goes to Aretha. And Aretha, I'm so incredibly proud of you. She recreated our wine crate project from a few weeks ago. And so I just think it's extraordinary. It's fabulous. And I love how you made it your own. So guys, when you recreate these projects, please post them to our Instagram and to our Facebook because we would love to give you a shout out. So this week's community member is Aretha. Aretha, you rock. This week we got a letter from one of our community members who is also preparing for her quinceanera. What a wonderful idea. And she just asked simply, MissPlanIt, can you recreate this exactly? Well, that is exactly what we did. The wonderful thing about this centerpiece though is I could see this at a wedding. I could see this at a 4th of July celebration. I could see this at a baby shower if you just switched the roses, made them pink or made them yellow. I mean, it is so versatile. So stay with us as we recreate this Southwest Rose Flair centerpiece. So excited. Let's get to it. The first step is we're going to take this 8-inch diameter half ball foam and we're going to attach our Real Touch red roses to it. Now, I always try to use some Real Touch roses. Those are the ones that are made of latex. And I combine them with my silk or fabric roses. It just adds a little bit depth. Now, they're a little bit more expensive, but if you want to cut the cost and just use all the silk flowers, say from the Dollar Tree, you'll take this centerpiece from being right at $28 to more like under $20. So just keep that in mind. So next, we're going to go ahead and mix in some of these roses that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, what I love about the purchase of the roses from the Dollar Tree is that it has more full blooms, but it also has the smaller closed blooms. And you'll see how we're going to go back and use those. So let's add about a dozen to a dozen and a half of these red full bloom roses in with our Real Touch roses. As you can see, we're left with some spots where you can still see the white foam of our half ball. So we're going to fill in those spots with those closed blooms that also were on the same stems as our full blooms that we got from the Dollar Tree. Next, we're going to transform this ordinary salsa bowl that I got from my local grocery store for $4 into a piece of art using this stone spray paint from Krylon. Let's get to it. Be sure to let the spray paint dry overnight before you attach your half ball to it, simply using hot glue. Use any remaining roses to cover any spots you missed after attaching it to your stone bowl. This Southwest Flair centerpiece is so simple, it is absolutely stunning. Just those very easy steps, and this is what you get. I'm so glad you decided to join us this week. I hope you enjoyed this week's tutorial, had a blast doing it. I want to also give a shout out to Fiona because she let me know that I need to make sure you guys know how to get to the description so you can go ahead and get the supply list. We have a US supply list and an international project supply list, as well as the project cost. Well, to get to that description box, you're going to click on that upside down triangle. I call it an arrow. Click there and your description box will come right up. And there you will see all the supply list. You will see the project cost. You will also see the link to join our newsletter, as well as signing up for our Ebates rewards program and an awesome bridal registry that is completely free. So we have so many things there for you guys. And some of you have been saying you haven't been getting notifications. Be sure to sign up for the newsletter. The newsletter is the way you won't miss anything that MissPlanIt has going on. So be sure to click on it in the description below. Guys, you can also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter. Please post those beautiful pictures of your projects. We absolutely adore seeing how you've taken our plan and made it your own. You're amazing. So with that being said, I want you to always remember, when every penny counts, count on MissPlanIt. Take care. See you soon. God bless.